Our program is made up of about 900 majors. We currently have both an on-site program at the undergraduate level and an online program as well. The on-site program is made up of individuals that are pretty much about 50% of them are traditional students and the other 50% are non-traditional students. The online program is mostly non-traditional students, people that are, these folks benefit from the fact that they are able to take classes online, so that they have more flexibility in their schedule. You know, if you're a full-time mother or if you work full-time, it is a wonderful thing to be able to, log on when you have a break at work or when you're at your lunchtime, or be able to do it in the evenings at home. For people that have families and have a full-time job or two, and that are busy, which is most of us, it allows them the opportunity to really work at their own pace. Most of the courses are asynchronous, which means that they essentially take courses or take lessons rather, and complete the lessons at their own pace without having live seminars. Most of the actual lectures are in the course. What they do typically have to observe is the dates of papers that are being due. Instructors typically offer them about a week or so in terms of leeway. They would have from Monday until Friday to complete an exam, and in their due time, at their availability, they would complete it. I think one of the first questions that I would ask if I were a student or a prospective student is, where do the graduates of that program go? I think a program is only as good as their graduates are, and also their professors. I mean, I think if you look at, for instance, in our case, our program, most of us are well-published professors. We have published in internationally known journals. We present papers in international conferences. In fact, in the past few years, we've gone to places like Edinburgh and Slovenia, and we're headed in October to a conference in Bilbao, Spain, to present our findings on research that we've done that is cutting edge. Looking at the partnerships that we've had with the community, we have 36 people on our board, most of whom are judges, chiefs of police, folks in the criminal justice field that would be potential employers to a lot of our students. And so if you think about what some of our graduates have done, we have graduates in the FBI, graduates that have gone on to complete PhDs, graduates that are serving. In fact, one of them sent us a picture recently. He's a pilot for Air Force, for Marine One, for the president. We have students all over the world, literally, that have obtained their degrees and are serving our country one way or another. So I think, one of the primary things that I will look at is, what do the graduates do, and do they have jobs, and are they happy with their jobs? And what is also very telling about our program is many of them come back and visit us, which says a lot about the way we've treated them in the past 4 years. It depends on the program, and it depends on the quality of what type of degree it is. In the case of ours, it is a criminology and criminal justice terminal degree, which essentially, doesn't really differ much except for variation of title as a degree. But it is granted by the University of Texas at Arlington as Department of Criminology and Criminal Justice. And so someone that would leave our program with that type of degree, there's nowhere on the diploma or on the transcripts that is noted as this being an online program. And so there is no difference. As far as the of some other universities, I can't speak with them, but I would imagine that if you're going to a university that promotes that you'll complete your degree in about 3 months, and that it will say the online degree from such and such place and is not accredited, that may be an issue. We're probably one of the most diverse departments in the entire university. We have a couple of African American scholars. We have, individuals that have had careers in the business industry that, turned criminologists in the latter part of their lives. We have another fellow who has 3 master's degrees and a PhD in history and happens to be a certified peace officer. So we have unique individuals that really will provide very unique angles to our students. In addition to that, we are very international about our scope. We do research with Korea. We're currently doing, like I said, presenting a paper in Spain coming up on the identity of criminologists. So I think that if you look at the type of education that a student will receive, it's a very comprehensive package from very unique perspectives. And so our entire department is unique. And also the way we treat students. I mean, we treat students like they're family. We don't treat people here like they're just a number and we don't really care about them. Our students mean the world to us. I mean, we wake up in the mornings and come to school and teach and research because we love what we do.